I want to pay attention. The pattern on the back of our hand, yo, look at it, yo. That's how leaves look. The pattern in the leaves, yo. You can go right out back and go, oh snap, that's the same pattern. Plus everything else. So if it's a tree of life, and that's a symbolism, renewing earth and renewing mother wisdom, like we was talking about last time, the branch of righteousness take on a whole new meaning. He said, yo, I'm divine, huh, but you were the branches. Ah, obviously God loves forest and trees. God made the forest, and then the man came and killed the forest. The first university is up under a tree, because when you thinking straight and you thinking right, you're gonna live a long life and be like a tree of life.